Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that adds charm, detail and beauty and creativity to clothes, pillow covers, bags, tablecloths and many other items. Many people enjoy embroidery because it is relaxing, fun and full of color. In this video we will look at different hand embroidery ideas and simple designs that beginners and experienced people can both enjoy. So guys, let's start it. First, let's talk about floral embroidery designs. Flowers patterns are one of the most popular embroidery style. Small roses, sunflower, daisies and leaves look beautiful on fabric. Another beautiful idea is leaf embroidery designs. Leaves are simple to make and perfect for beginners. Green thread in colorful shades can create a natural and fresh look. You can combine leaves with flowers or make a full leafy pattern on fabric. This design looks modern and clean. Now let's talk about colorful embroidery pattern. Bright colors can make embroidery stand out and look cheerful. Red, yellow, blue, pink and green threads create eye-catching designs. Simple embroidery stitches are some lovely important ideas. The running stitch is one of the easiest stitches for beginners. It creates neat lines and simple patterns. The back stitch is another popular stitch that helps make outline and shapes. Chain stitch creates a beautiful rope-like design and satin stitch fills flowers and leaves with smooth color. Mirrorwork embroidery is another lovely idea. Small mirrors stitched into fabric can make dresses and bags look traditional and beautiful. This style is popular in many cultures and is often used for festive clothes and decorations. Now let's talk about embroidery on clothing. Many people love adding embroidery to plain shirts, jeans, jackets and dresses. A small floral design on a pocket or sleeve can completely change the look of all outfit. Hand embroidery makes clothing look unique and personal. Embroidery on home decoration items is also very popular. Cushion covers with embroidery designs look warm and creative. Table runners with floral embroidery can make dining tables look elegant. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.